boy, bye. Bye. Ooh, sexy dress right there. Oh, that is beautiful. Sexy. Hey, Billy. BZ Kurdistan. Hey, I run this place. I like that. All the moves. Hey, she face that, you know what I'm saying? Hey, BZ. Why you saying bye? I don't want to go. Why you telling me bye, girl? You know what I'm saying? Hi, girl. You know what I'm saying?
Are you ready for the queen?
Yeah. Boy, bye. Boy, bye. I don't want to. Yes. Money. Ooh. Okay. Don't need. Okay. Lose. Ooh. I like that. Bye bye. Woo. Damn. Her fashion sense is on Super Saiyan level. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Okay. You independent. Hey. Brum, bum, bum, bum. Boy, bye. Bye. Ooh, damn, she thick. Strong Rihanna influence. Nice. She remind me of damn, what's that lady? What's that? She remind me of an Albanian singer. What's her name? I cannot think of her name right now. But I'm gonna do a video. Her image, her sound. You know what I'm saying? Very Rihanna-ish, you know what I'm saying, Rihanna-ish, you know what I'm saying, sound, you know what I'm saying, the boy bye, the, you know what I'm saying, that reggae sound, very, sounds like something Rihanna could sing, you know what I'm saying, the fashion sense, the high quality, high price production of the fashion and the video, you know what I'm saying, itself, you know what I'm saying. Hey, nice. Billy. Hey. Hey, salsa. Zo, sopa. She said you live with your mama, don't lie. Man, that's... Oh, they doing the highlight for the bridge part of the song. Okay. Hey. Okay. I ain't going. Just call me when you need me, baby. I don't. I got my own shit. But I like the song because it basically symbolizes like women that don't want to take care of a man that ain't got nothing going for themselves. You know what I'm saying? So boy bye. You know what I'm saying? I can understand the language she's speaking. You know what I'm saying? And she sings in English, which is super dope. You know what I'm saying? Oh, she remind me of the Albanian singer Dora Durada. Did I say that correctly? Dora. I mean, I said her name backwards. Is Durada Dora from Albania. She reminds me of her. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. You know what I'm saying? Y'all requested this video and you got it, baby. Oh, behave. You know what I'm saying? This is the Munchistan Empire. I am Munchie the Great. I see all my needs on my Medi. You know what I'm saying? The next reaction video, you know what I'm saying? This is Kurdish Munchie TV. You know what I'm saying? Swap eyes. Hey, I'll see you guys later. Ain't no empire greater. You know what I'm saying? Uvidum Shah, das Pidanya, das Korova, Baka, Havalati, Moje braci session. You know what I'm saying? Don't think I don't know y'all speak Russian. That's just for some of y'all that don't, you know, may not speak English. This is my place right here. This is all my, I don't know.
Dollar bill, come get her. Even your man know Nicki's do it better.
Damn, what you gang?
I know you don't like me. Ooh. You wanna fight me. Hey. Always on my page, never double tap like me.
Hey.
Baddies to
yeah, they cleaned it up. Wait, who is that? Hey.
Nunca le diga que no al panda, 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 panda. Y haz lo que te manda, panda, panda.
Wow. Astonishing. Her voice.